Managing your trades effectively is a critical part of successful Forex trading. And the Inno panel provides a powerful set of tools to help you control your open positions, pending orders, and risk all in one place. When you open the panel, the position management section gives you a clear overview of all your active trades, showing essential details like entry price, current profit or loss, and the size of each position. You can modify your trades directly here by adjusting your stop loss and take profit levels dynamically, giving you the flexibility to protect profits or limit losses as the market evolves. Pending orders are equally easy to manage. The Inno panel allows you to set buy or sell limit and stop orders with precision, and you can adjust or cancel these orders at any time before they are triggered. By linking your position sizes to your predefined risk tolerance, you can automatically calculate how many lots to trade based on the distance between your entry and stop loss, giving you real-time feedback on how your changes affect your risk. Mastering these tools is key to protecting your capital and growing your account steadily over time. This interconnected system makes it easier to stay in control, avoid emotional decision-making, and trade consistently. This ensures you never risk more than a set percentage of your account on any single trade, helping to maintain disciplined risk management. This flexibility means you can plan your entries strategically without constantly watching the screen. One of the standout features is the risk adjustment tool. All these features work seamlessly together. For example, when you modify your stop loss on an open position, the risk adjustment recalculates your exposure instantly with Inno panel. Managing your trades becomes intuitive and efficient, allowing you to focus on strategy rather than the mechanics.